What's up guys, it's your favorite pick instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best outdoor motion sensor lights. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Aootek Outdoor Motion Sensor Lights. If the only surface you have to mount your outdoor light is a wall, then this option might be an excellent choice. The extensive 120-degree motion coverage will ensure that not much goes bump in the night without being noticed. If you mount several of these on the same wall, you may end up even covering any blind spots left by each device. Also, the design allows for lighting a wide angle owing to LEDs both on the front and on the back. As outdoor wireless motion sensor lights, these devices need to get power without having to connect to your electrical grid. This is where the solar panel mounted on the device comes in handy. When fitting the lights, you should ensure they get enough sunlight so that functionality and lighting aren't impaired during the night. This makes it necessary to install the lights where they are exposed to weather elements such as UV rays and the rain. Consequently, the manufacturer made sure the gadget is waterproof and heatproof for such scenarios. In the 120-degree angle coverage, anything that moves within 26 feet, whether animal, car or human, will result in the light turning on depending on the settings you put in place. The said settings include a choice of 3 options, including one that automatically turns the device off during the day and turns it back on at night. Also, experts advise that you mount the machine between 5.6 to 6.6 feet above the ground. Given that you are provided with keyholes at the back of the gadget in addition to screws, it shouldn't be hard to pull off. Number 4. BAXIA Technology Outdoor Motion Sensor Lights. BAXIA Technology is not far behind with their offering. There are, of course, similarities with our first pick, the first of which is the 120-degree detecting angle coverage. However, you will notice from the pictures of the device that the design is inherently different. With the device being square in shape, the lighting angle for the area it can cover is significantly reduced. This makes it necessary to buy more gadgets to cover a small space. Also, similar is the IP65 rating, which translated means waterproof and heatproof. The solar panel is located at the top of the lighting device, and it also acts like a lampshade to ensure the LED lights below don't get damaged. This particular device comes in a 4-pack for just under $30. Due to solar charging, you are expected to install the tool where it can get optimum sunlight to bring up battery reserves when you need to use it. Where lighting is concerned, you get either full off or full on. There is no dim lighting option. Number 3. URPOWER Outdoor Motion Sensor Lights. As is evident from the images of the devices we have provided, the design of this gadget is similar to the one supplied by BAXIA Technology with only a few tweaks to the overall look. The main difference comes in where the features are concerned. This particular model will detect anything in the 120-degree detection area of the light. At the same time, the object in motion causing the device to light up has to be no more than 10 feet away from the gadget. The above makes this tool ideal for installation on your patio or backyard if you can find a surface to mount the device. Due to their limited detection range, these devices come in 4-packs that allow you to distribute the lights for a wider lighting and detection coverage. As per URPOWER's tests, the manufacturer expects these devices to last at least 4 years from first use. However, you only get a 180-day warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Also, as is the case with most other solar-powered lights, you get weatherproof gadgets with an IP65 rating with the purchase. Number 2. Heath HZ Activated Light. In 4th place, we have our first non-solar powered device, which means you are going to have to connect it to your house electrical grid. This makes this product much harder to install, and the end product may hurt your utility bills. However, due to the design, the device has about 180-degree lighting coverage. This is because the lantern is four-sided with 3 of the sides made of glass. Also, the device can detect motion as far as 30 feet away. The antique-looking design for the light also makes it one of our more aesthetically pleasing options. The lantern is coated in a weather-resistant finish. If you are a DIYer, the manufacturer provides instructions on how to install the product yourself. You can even find a video of the same on Amazon as you are ordering a purchase. Where the light timer is concerned, you have one of 3 options to choose from as to how long the motion sensor light should stay on after detecting motion. These are the 1-minute, 5-minute, or 10-minute options. An impressive feature is that you can also tweak the sensitivity of the light up or down, depending on your preference. The incandescent bulb required for the bulb to work is not included, and as such you will have to purchase it as an extra. Number 1. SANSI Motion Ceramic LED Security Ligh. The SANSI manufacturer has an impressive all-around offering coming in at a 5th place. The warranty terms stand a notch above those of all the other devices we have mentioned in our review, totaling a coverage of 5 years. Also, the detection distance is the most impressive by far, with a reach of about 50 feet. At 6,000 lumens, the light is exceptionally bright and therefore suitable to light up most of your backyard. There are 3 modes to choose from, and a test mode checking the sensory function of the light. If you only use this device for 3 hours a day, then the gadget has a lifespan of up to 27 years. This lifespan is bound to be extended by the fact that the light only comes on when movement is detected. Overall, it could be on for even less than the stipulated 3 hours. As the homeowner, you will have to attach the light to your home's electrical grid, and this may sometimes require you to contract a professional. Granted that you will have to fork out a little more money than you would need to with some of our other options, this item is still worth every penny. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.